Hey everybody, thanks for joining us here on YouTube with Dogwood Springs Outdoors. Today we're doing the 1200 hour hydraulic oil service on the John Deere 5310 tractor. It's the first time I've done it on this tractor. I don't know if it's the first time it's been done or not, but we're just going to change the oil, drain the oil, and put a new filter on and clean the screen in there. So come along with us as we do that. I hope you'll learn something. I'm sure I will too, because this is my first time doing it. But thanks for tuning in. So this is our John Deere 5310. I think it's a 1999 model tractor. It is not a four-wheel drive, but there's the filter we need to take out, and then I can get on here. There is the drain plug right there. Mine holds about 10 gallons of oil, and I only have 5 right now, so I got to go buy another bucket. But only other really thing you need to do before you start that process is to lower the rock shaft to remove any trapped oil in there. This is the oil I'm using here. Got it from my local Napa store. It's the main thing. You just need to make sure that whatever you get meets the John Deere. If you're using, whatever equipment specs, manufacturer specs that you need, even if it's not the manufacturer's brand. So got that, and then a John Deere oil filter. All right, we up under here. So again, we're gonna take out this drain plug. First thing, got a 5-gallon bucket, and again, this is a two-wheel drive tractor, so it's only got one drain plug. Hopefully we can get it. It's been a minute since it was changed. Hopefully work. This is 22 millimeter bolt on mine, at least. All right, finally. It's good to use, some gloves for any kind of fluid like this. I especially need to right now. My hands are all cut up from processing our meat birds last weekend. I tried to do a video of that, or was planning on it, and we just got started so late and running behind that it always takes so much longer when you're trying to film something. I went to the Napa store to get another bucket of oil, and hydraulic oil, and they were out. So it's Saturday, and they said it'd be Tuesday before they'd get it in, but I'm gonna just go on and get through with this part, and then fill it up with what I have, and just fill it up the rest of the way when I get it Tuesday. So the only good thing about this right now, because it is hot, y'all. I mean, it's probably not low 90s, but the humidity is what's so bad right now. You can about look outside and start sweating. We've had so much rain. We will come back here and get this plug back in, drain plug back in, and get this filter off. All right, I have no idea how tight this thing is on here. I didn't put this one on. but we're gonna try. Yeah. It is not moving. Let's do it. Day 2 of this project. It is not gone at all like I was hoping. I have not been able to get that filter off. I've worked myself silly. Went to Tractor Supply, got the biggest strap wrench they had, filter wrench, and it was not big enough. I even tried to modify it to, add, an extension, my own extension, so it would fit around there. Still didn't work. I've dented that thing all up. I finally gave up, and on the wrench part, took a massive screwdriver and punched that all the way through for leverage, and still, it's like it's welded on there. I've bent that screwdriver actually with another wrench, trying to break it loose. It moved just a little bit. So I thought, we got it. It broke the seal, and then it stopped. There's my broken screwdriver. At least I got smarter today and found me a big piece of cardboard so I can slide through on that better than that asphalt. Come on, baby. You can do it. It's up through there. There it goes. Yes. Just trying not to cut myself now on all the holes I punched in it. All right, this fits the main thing. This is the hand tighten. Make sure the threads are good. Yeah, plus hand tighten plus 1 1/4 turns is what that thing said. I don't know that I'm gonna get it quite that tight because I don't want to go through all that business again. All right, as far as I'm going. I'm gonna switch to screen now. We'll check it, of course, when we add fluid. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I try to wipe it off, but this is right here, this is the transmission hydraulic pickup screen. And that's something you're also supposed to remove and clean when you change oil. This is the hydraulic oil. Make sure that you have drained the oil before you take this off. But on mine, at least, this is a 12 millimeter. But you just take this off. Take these cap screws out and clean it with a solvent, cleaning solvent, and then You can use compressed air to dry it after you're done. Let's see. I always, when I take bolts out, I try to put them back in the same hole, even if they're supposed to be the same size. Just tend to find out it run into less trouble that way. See, I'm gonna clean that up some here. All right, so this is the screen. It's attached to that tube. You just slide the whole thing out. Kind of have to wiggle it a little bit to get it loose and slide out, but that's what we're cleaning, and it needs. I'm gonna start this from the inside out. Try to knock some of that loose. Get my glasses on. And doing it at an angle here. Alright, now we're going to hit it with some compressed air, again from the inside out first. So there we go. After the compressed air, it is considerably cleaner now. I'm comfortable with that. It may have a few little specks left on it, but it is good. If you really, you know, if it's real thick on there, you could get a, you know, soft bristle brush like a toothbrush or something like that and lightly go over it to break stuff loose, and then, you know, repeat the process over with your cleaner and compressor. I'm gonna let this dry just a little bit more. I mean, I blew it out pretty well, but I'm gonna let it sit, get my other stuff together before we reinstall it. There it goes. You gotta get it up, raised up enough that it'll fit inside this cap. There it goes. All right. That's definitely not a step you want to skip. Alright. Fill her back up. Well, that's a wrap on this episode. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you're a subscriber, I really appreciate that. I hope this was helpful to some of you. I definitely learned some stuff here, but as always, thanks for watching, and y'all come back and see us.